Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, girl, I wanted to give you a quick sneak peek on how this Pop and Go Beauty is giving me my life with these face framing highlights. Stay tuned. Hey, it's time to slay. Okay, I already removed the lace. You don't have to worry about saying that. I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm back, baby. I'm back. So I went ahead and did all that. So if you still having problems or don't know how to remove your lace, please refer to all the other rig tutorial videos that I have done thus far to show you how to remove the lace. But yeah, so I put a slight part in the very front of the lace frontal in order to give the illusion to my hairline that it is more than just a fixed stationary part. I find that kind of doing your baby hair like that makes it look like you at least have a 4x4 closure, you know, to your wig. And I don't know what Outre been doing lately, but they have definitely been serving more than enough lace's edge space to really, get that desired and preferred look of a bigger lace frontal than you actually purchased. So I enjoy that. And so you see me melting it in place. Y'all, I am no longer melting my wigs in place on the highest temperature with the blow dryer, because I find that it's been melting through fairly quickly on these synthetic wigs than they used to in the past. So ladies, now I put it on the lowest setting, but still on heat to melt my baby hair in place. Now what you just see me do just a few moments ago is cut a little piece of track that was loose on the right side of the wig. So I don't know if you ladies ran into the same thing with this wig. I didn't talk about it later on in the video because it didn't take away from the overall enjoyment of wearing this wig. So it didn't like make it look any less, beautiful or whatever. But yeah, I love the face framing highlights. The curls are gorgeous and the hair texture is just, wonderful for anyone. So yeah, it's done. Okay, look, oh my gosh, she was giving me my face frame and highlight life. Okay, my pop and go glam life. I loved it, I enjoyed it, and stay tuned. Hey, JuiceDrops, JuicyNashae here, and I'm finally back with another video. I know it's been a while, I know y'all missed your girl, but she back though. So what wig I got on, it's probably obvious because this wig is like everywhere right now. Okay, she is all the rant and she is all the rave right now. Okay, and who is this? If I said Nienna or Nienna with this whole A on Nienna, yeah, girl. So anyway, she is made by Outre Lace Front. Okay, it's a more of their affordable pop and go series of wigs. She is a one-parter. Okay, all right, as you see here. All right, now you can shift it either way, but she's still one part. Right. I have Miss Nienna here in this beautiful signature color in the back, not the one on the, like the one's front and center, but the one in the back. Yeah. This color right here in a DRFF chocolate toffee. Okay, girl, this color is giving, everything is given on cam is given in real life. Okay, now I know like everybody been ranting and raving over her or whatever. I'm not gonna rant too much until I get into what I like about her, what I didn't like her, and all that good stuff. Okay, let's get off into the further details for Miss Nienna. Okay, ladies, let's get off into a 360 right here. Before I get into anything, I'm going to switch it up a little bit, ladies, and I'm going to get in your face for your favorite part of every one of my videos, and that's the close-up. Let me get in your face. Okay, ladies, now that I'm back in your face, I have been having this wig on for about a week, okay? I know. That's why I can't wait till I get to the pros to tell you ladies how amazing this wig is. I've missed the days when Outre blessed us with a great pop and go wig that's affordable and glamorous as well. So yeah, I did a symmetrical look with the big baby hairs on either side. My real hair is kind of peeking through on either side, but that's okay. But you wouldn't even see all that if I wasn't in your face, right? Right. So yeah, I decided to get really cute, real creative with it. It's not exactly how I did it on the tutorial. I decided to just, you know, do a little shark tooth, a little hook right there, a little vampiric tooth, you know, and big swoop. 2 big swoops, and you know, symmetrical, you know, so that when I go like that and I flip her back out like that and I flip her back out like that, she cute. Okay, she cute. So close up over. I'm not gonna stay in y'all face. Okay, ladies, I am back to give you some really quick pros for this wig. Y'all, I've had this wig on for a week. I know, it's wonderful, it's amazing, it's everything that you want in a pop and go wig, okay? You want it to have longevity, you don't want it to turn into a ball, a mess, and she didn't do none of that. So yeah, she barely tangles, she does shed, but it's minimal. This curl is amazing, and this color is gorgeous, okay? And that is it for the pros, okay? Will I recommend this wig? Yes, ma'am. But yeah, that's it for the pros. Let's get off into the cons. Of course, I think this wig has any generic you know, base level cons that any other wig, you know, gives you. You know, it does tangle, but I've been wearing this wig for a whole week. So of course I'm gonna get all that, you know. It's not like I sleep with a bonnet on. I just, you know, put it in little, you know, I roll it like this and pin it up, you know, little pigtails like that. And girl, I drop her, you know what I'm saying? Put a little water, a little mousse, you know, a little la 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 la. And she is lively. She is back how she looks on the stock card, okay? She is back serving that quick, you know, glam pop and go look, okay? This is the pop and go wig of early 2023, okay? I don't know, Outre might surprise me and come out with another pop and go to top this. I don't know though, because we haven't had such a really great pop and go wig, y'all, that comes and do what it's supposed to do, and that's pop and go, right? Right. So I know I'm supposed to be in a, you know, in the con. So like I said, if it has any kind of cons, you know, to this wig, y'all, it is the standard issue shedding and tangling that you get with any synthetic wig. That's really the only cons that I could possibly muster up for this wig, because I'm not about to sit up here and lie and tell you ladies to not expect her to tangle and or shed, right? Okay. But I think that's it for the cons. Let's get off into the rating. What is my rating for Miss Nienna? Girl, you already know. There's no deliberation. I give Nienna a 10. What? Yay! Woo! All right. I know it's been a long time since I rated a wig a 10, y'all. I know. But girl, what I have just been wanting lately is a simple pop and go. A simple pop and go wig that I can wear to Walmart. I could pop on my head and just run errands, or I can pop on my head and go to the movies and out to eat and, you know, go to a party or something, you know. And this wig is it. This, like, Nienna is your girl. Like, if you want to glam it up, you can glam it up. If you want to just look stylish and just beautiful and just, you know, in a hurry and a rush, Nienna is your girl, okay? I definitely have to give her a 10, and I definitely recommend her. And I really wish I would have never bought all of the Niennas in this color, because I would have liked to, like, buy this color again just so I could keep it on the shelf, because like I said, I've been wearing this for a week now. So when this one get, you know, raggedy and wore out, I can go ahead on and get the other one and style her just like this and wear it. But y'all bought it. So I'm gonna have to just think of a different color. She got like buku, you know, cute, you know, specialty colors and whatnot on the back. you know. So I'm gonna have to look into that. I'm gonna have to look into that because this color is everything, y'all. This wig is just giving me like my everyday life, my wig life, and it's giving me everything that I ever like hope for and more. And a pop and go, and I'm proud of Outre. Outre, if this is what you coming with, baby, I'm gonna need you to keep coming with it, okay? All right? Now, yeah, so that's it, ladies. I am not gonna hold y'all. Thank you so much, ladies, for watching my review for Miss Nienna. Okay. Don't be buying all of them because I'm going back for more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram at JuicyNashae as well. Bye.